Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1040 ES. First, determine if you're required to pay estimated taxes. Generally, this applies if you expect to owe at least $1,000 in tax. Next, we'll walk through the straightforward process of calculating your quarterly payments. Finally, I'll show you the easiest ways to submit your estimated tax to the IRS, ensuring you stay compliant. You'll typically need to file Form 1040 ES if you anticipate owing at least $1,000 in tax and don't have enough withholding. To calculate, estimate your total income, deductions, and any credits for the entire year. Then, use the worksheet provided with Form 1040 ES instructions to accurately determine your estimated tax liability. This helps ensure you pay the correct amount. There are several convenient ways to make your estimated tax payments. You can pay directly online using IRS Direct Pay or the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, known as EFTPS. Alternatively, you can mail a check or money order along with a payment voucher from Form 1040 ES. Remember, these payments are due quarterly, so mark your calendar to avoid missing deadlines. To avoid underpayment penalties, ensure you pay at least 90% of your current year's tax liability through withholding and estimated payments. Another safe harbor is to pay 100% of your prior year's tax. Staying organized and making timely payments is key. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your living space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.